Hey everyone, Sam Witherby, Sales Director with Lincoln Select at Nebraska Realty again. Excited to chat with you again today about a topic that I think you'll find very interesting. That is, how do I hold a successful open house? Summer is here and buyers are starting to flood the market. Now's the time to hook some buyers with an amazing open house. To ensure your open house is a triumph, we'll go over 3 tips and strategies to ensure that buyers walk away from your open house with offers already in their minds: atmosphere, marketing, and engagement. First impressions matter, and creating a warm and inviting atmosphere can significantly impact a potential buyer's perception of the property. To create a nice atmosphere, make sure the curb appeal is A+. The house is cleaned and decluttered, and there's plenty of light in the house. Number 2, to ensure a successful turnout, strategic marketing and promotion are essential. Utilize a mix of traditional and digital methods to maximize your open house's visibility. This should include an announcement post on social media, professional photos, physical signs, email bursts, and word of mouth through your network. Pack the buyers and generate excitement. Be excited. Number 3, during the open house, engaging with potential buyers and providing relevant information can make a significant impact on their decision-making process. Make sure you're always available in a central area. You should create information packets for attendees, be approachable and knowledgeable, and collect feedback throughout the event. If you have any questions or would like more detailed advice on your specific situation, don't hesitate to reach out by phone or email. We look forward to hearing from you, and thanks again for joining today.
Hey, thanks so much for checking out our video and watching till the end. If you're looking for more content about real estate, just simply subscribe over here to the right. And if you want more information on what your home is worth, check out sellyourhomelincoln.com to get an evaluation done, and one of our listing specialists will reach out to you to help you determine that final price. Thanks again.